Looking for the best golf coolers? This video will help you select the right one according to your needs. Let's check out the fifth best product, Click Gear Push Cart Bag. If you're playing solo or just don't want to contribute to your buddy's drinking problems, the Click Gear Push Cart Bag is a small and unobtrusive carrier that's perfect for stashing a six-pack. It tucks away nicely, so there's little risk of tripping over it, and there is an upper dry pocket for accessories. We have the Magnifica Fit as the fourth product on our list today. If you're planning on doing some serious drinking, the Magnifica Fit can hold a full case of beer without giving away your intentions. It's designed to fit in the basket of your cart, so you don't have to worry about lugging it around all day in the hot sun either. This is great for concerts, festivals, and it does not bounce around when the cart is moving. The Bucket 2 Collegiate Cooler Cart is the third best product on our list. For the serious player who demands significant refreshment on the course, the Bucket 2 Collegiate Cooler Cart is a fine choice indeed. Not only is it a full golf bag suitable for holding 14 clubs, but it has an integrated cooler compartment complete with a drainage port. Now let's check out the features of our second best product, the Model Cooler King 100. The Stealth Model Cooler King 100 is designed to be slipped down into the golf bag, hiding away any chilled beverages with your clubs where the watchful eyes of the course manager can't penetrate. It will keep ice frozen for hours, even on hot days. And the number one product on our list of best 5 golf coolers is the Bagboy Chiller Cart. Hitting the links with friends can easily turn wild, and for those days, the Bagboy Chiller Cart is in a league of its own. It has 9 pockets in addition to a removable cooler bag, so you'll find plenty of room for balls and tees in case you also decide to play some golf.
We hope you enjoyed this video, but please don't forget to share your valuable comments. If you like our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day.